Good morning. Welcome to the Risse Street Community Garden, which is located in temperature zone 6B, which identifies what plants grow here. We are in the Bedford Park section of the Bronx. Yeah, baby. We are a green thumb garden. What we primarily do is provide green space for Bronx residents to enjoy, learn, grow plants, and of course, eat them for dinner.
Each member of our garden has an individual bed of the size 8 by 4. Our members have different cultural backgrounds and grow a variety of vegetables native to their homeland. In this garden bed, we can see the wiri plants, a variety of hot peppers very popular in the Caribbean. They resemble tiny cherries, but do not let their looks fool you. They are very spicy. In this garden bed, we have the sesame plant, which is very popular in Korea and is used in a lot of their dishes and very delicious.
Now we're at our native perimeter garden. Here we grow native plants native to New York and the Northeast America. They not only beautify the garden, they help native pollinators like the monarch butterflies and of course the bumblebees.
Over here, we have one of our community herb beds. We share these herbs with our neighbors in the community when they visit during the open hours. This bed is an annual herb bed where we grow things like basil, stevia, chives, and other annual herbs. community herb bed grows the perennial herbs like the rue, oregano, and tarragon, which comes back every spring.
Who doesn't love berries? Currently, we have 3 varieties growing in the garden: blueberries, raspberries, which are presently blooming, and nubs of raspberries are coming in. Also, over here we have strawberries that are ready to be picked.
All around our community garden, we have ornamental variety of plants and flowers that add color and beauty to the space. Fortunately, this time of the year, the deutzia is in bloom right after the bridal wreath spirea. We also have, you can see, allium, which blooms, adding a vibrant lavender to the garden landscape.
We also have a 3-section compost system to process our garden waste to diminish the amount of ongoing trash produced by the garden. We are currently closed to the public this season due to the pandemic, but we normally have open hours that are always listed in our gates. Thank you for visiting Risse Street Garden. Hope to see you soon in a beautiful garden.